The Kitchen Academy 10% non-stick set is a decent option for anyone looking for a versatile cookware collection. It comes with a variety of pots and pans, so you can cook many different meals. The detachable handle is a clever feature. It saves space when storing the cookware. The non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning easier. Even fried eggs slide right off. The black granite style is simple and practical. This set is a good choice for people who need a stackable option, especially for RV or camping trips. It's not the fanciest cookware, but it gets the job done. Using the Kitchen Academy 10% non-stick set has been fairly straightforward. The pots and pans heat up evenly. This helps to cook food properly. The non-stick coating works well, but you should still use a little oil or butter. Cleaning is a breeze. Food doesn't stick much. You can wash them with soap and water. The detachable handle clicks on and off easily. This makes it convenient to switch between different pots and pans. The included mat helps protect your countertops. There are several choices for cooking, and it gives the cook pleasure to know they have the tools to cook well. Overall, the Kitchen Academy 10% non-stick set is a practical and budget-friendly option. It's not something an employee at a high-end restaurant would use, but it's great for home cooks. At this price point, it's a good set. It is a good point to start if you need a full cookware collection. The ceramic-like non-stick surface is adequate for most cooking needs. The stackable design is a plus for those with limited kitchen space. The Kitchen Academy 10% non-stick set offers a functional cooking experience. Pros: easy storage, easy cleanup, lightweight, easy to clean, removable handle, sturdy design. Induction heating good, high quality, space saving, oven safe, good non-stick, good quality. Utensils. Cons: only one lid fits, lid not for all pans, missing lids, limited lid sizes, not enough lids. Lid issue: lid quantity, less lids than pans, single lid, one lid only. Features: detachable handle, induction compatible 10-piece set, non-stick surface, black granite. Finish: stackable design, RV cookware, camp cookware, cooking pots, cooking pans. The Kitchen Academy 10-piece cookware set includes pots and pans with a non-stick surface and a black granite finish. It's designed for easy storage with a stackable shape and a detachable handle. This set works on induction cooktops and is suitable for RVs and camping. The Kitchen Academy 10-piece cookware set offers space-saving, stackable pots and pans with a detachable handle, making it suitable for RVs or small kitchens. It features a non-stick coating and induction compatibility, aiming for easy cooking and cleanup. However, it comes with only one lid, which fits a limited number of pans, causing frustration for some users who find the lid quantity insufficient.